friends, I got this brand new vacuum in the mail and I want to put it together with you and give it a try. I cannot wait to give this a try. I've been wanting one of these vacuums for a really long time. This is going to be the second one we have in our house, so I can't wait to try it. This does have powerful suction, longer working time, 2.5 hour fast charging, LED headlights, and self-standing stand. So let's go ahead and unbox this and get started. Comes really nicely packaged. This is what it looks like. This is going to be great for pets or just everyday use. This does have great directions here. We're going to open that in a minute, and this is what it all comes with. You could also hang it on the wall if you want to. It does come with this wall hanger and all of the accessories that you need to hang it on the wall. This is the accessories for your vacuum, all nice and put together, and you can also charge it while it's on the wall. You just put the vacuum in here, plug it in, and then it's ready to go and charge for when you need it. These are some of the accessories that it comes with. You just press the button and then you can slide it in, and it'll keep it nice and secure in there. It does have a brush, and it does have the narrow spot so you can get in all the places and get that dirt out. You just press the button and just slide it. This also comes with really, really good instructions. So it's going to tell you all that you need on your vacuum and anything like that, cleaning, troubleshooting, all the things. Here is the battery on the back. You're just going to go ahead and squeeze these two buttons and lift up. And this is how you are going to charge it. You just plug this in. Okay, I'm going to adjust the height to where I want it. You're just going to press the button on the back and pull up. The battery back on. You just slide it in. And when we turn it on, let me show you what it looks like up here. It's going to tell you how much that it's charged. You can also go ahead and put it on high. There's your 3 different settings. Okay, let's do some vacuuming. I'm going to put it on high. It works amazing. Definitely recommend. Now let's try it with just the handheld part. Okay, so this is another part that I really do like. You can use this by itself. So you can go ahead and press the button and pull up. So now it's going to be a nice handheld vacuum. This is going to be great for upholstery, things like that. Let's put one of the little attachments on here as well. You could already see, look how much dirt that this picked up, which is absolutely crazy. Let's go ahead and put this one on. You're just going to line it up here and it snaps in. You can go ahead and use the thinner part if you want to, or you can use the brush here. I'm gonna do a little bit on my couch. So let's go see. Now, if you want to empty it out, you can go ahead and hit this button and the lever opens, okay? Look at all of this dirt and grime that we picked up from vacuuming. Highly recommend, you guys. This is a very powerful stick vacuum. This is something that we will be using all of the time. It's so much easier to use this instead of getting the big vacuum out. It does just as good of a job. Highly recommend grabbing if you guys are in need of a vacuum. Awesome price, and honestly, this does incredible work. I use it on all the floors. Let me go ahead and show you some of the other places I like to use it. Awesome vacuum, you guys. Thanks again for sending. We are going to be using this all of the time. Go ahead and grab one today.